In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Grok AI download problem in just 5 minutes. If you're having trouble downloading Grok AI, don't worry, you're not alone. Let's walk through some troubleshooting steps together to get everything up and running smoothly. First and foremost, you'll want to ensure that your internet connection is both strong and stable. A weak or intermittent connection can often be the root cause of download issues, so take a moment to check if your Wi-Fi is working properly. You might want to try restarting your router or simply moving closer to your Wi-Fi source to improve the signal strength. Once you've confirmed that your internet connection is in good shape, it's important to make sure you have enough storage space available on your device. Insufficient storage can prevent downloads from completing, so double-check your device's storage settings. If you're running low on space, consider deleting some unused files or apps to free up room for Grok AI. Next, try restarting the app or browser you're using to download Grok AI. This simple step can sometimes resolve lingering technical glitches. Close the app or browser completely, and then reopen it to see if that solves the problem. If restarting doesn't do the trick, the next step is to clear the app or browser cache. Caches store data to make apps run more efficiently, but sometimes this data can become corrupted. To clear the cache, you'll need to go into your app or browser settings. Look for an option to clear cache, and go ahead and tap or click that to wipe it clean. Now, if you're using a VPN, ad blocker, or any browser extensions, try disabling them temporarily as they can sometimes interfere with downloads. Go into the settings and switch them off to see if that makes a difference. If this solves the issue, you can consider adjusting the settings on your VPN or ad blocker to work more flexibly with Grok AI. It's also a good idea to check for any service outages that might be affecting the Grok AI servers. Visit the official website or check their social media pages for any updates on service interruptions. If there is an outage, you'll just need to be patient until the service is restored. Finally, if you're still experiencing issues with the web version, consider downloading the Grok AI mobile app or trying a different device altogether. It's entirely possible that the particular combination of device and browser you're using is what's causing the problem. By working through these steps, you should be well on your way to fixing the Grok AI download problem. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you get back to using Grok AI without any further issues. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips and tutorials.